In this section, we're going to look at gotchas in Go. These are things that won't necessarily cause the program to fail to compile or fail to run, but they may run without errors and give you output you don't expect. So let's look at zero value for non-existent map keys. Let's demonstrate this. We're going to make a map with some sizes for clothing. And we'll say the shoe size is 11, and then we're going to iterate over these clothing items, shoe and sock, and we're going to print out the size. Now notice that we don't have a size for sock. So let's see what happens. It says the sock size is 0. So how can it be 0 when there's no value? In Go, because it's so strongly typed, if you have a map of strings to integers, the only thing it can return is an integer. So if you ask for a value that doesn't exist, it will return the default value. If it's a string, it will be empty string. If it's an integer, it will be 0. And so when you pull something out of a map, there is a second value that is optional, but if you grab it, it will give you a Boolean, letting you know whether the value is found. And in this way, you'll be able to know, for example, if you get back a 0, did you get back a 0 because there was a 0 in the map, or because there was no value at all? Let's run this. And now we get the output as expected.